India and China are holding the 13th round of Corps Commander talks. The resolution of friction points at hot springs at the LAC in eastern Ladakh is going to be on the agenda. Indian Army Chief General Naravane has made it clear that Indian soldiers will remain deployed along the frontier as long as the Chinese PLA stay there. It is a matter of concern as the winter months are approaching when temperatures dip as low as -30 degrees Celsius. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday warned that the capital city may face a power crisis soon due to a national coal shortage. The national capital is the latest to join the list of states that have raised an alarm over coal shortage at power plants. Other states include Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Bihar. Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra was arrested 5 days after he was named in a murder case related to Lakhimpur Kheri violence. Mishra is accused of mowing down farmers in Uttar Pradesh. He was questioned for 12 hours before his arrest. Sources said that Mishra failed to back up his alibi and gave evasive answers. Mishra had also evaded questioning and summons from the UP police for days before his arrest. The NCB summoned actor Shah Rukh Khan's driver on Saturday and recorded his testimony in connection with the cruise ship narcotics bust investigation. The driver's testimony was taken in connection with the arrests of the actor's son, Aryan Khan, and his associate Arbaz Merchant. Chinese Premier Xi Jinping on Saturday vowed to peacefully reunite with Taiwan. Democratic Taiwan has come under increasing pressure, coercion and intimidation by Beijing to accept its sovereignty. However, Taipei has continued to defend its independence from China. Xi Jinping in his speech did not mention the use of force or the recent skirmish near Taiwan's airspace and waters. The Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund will hold a meeting with Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva over allegations that she changed data to benefit China while serving as the World Bank's CEO. The eruption at the volcano on Spain's La Palma Island intensified on Saturday. Rivers of lava engulfed buildings near the volcano. At least 4 buildings were destroyed. Spanish National Geological Institute said that there were a series of 37 seismic movements on Saturday. The volcano began erupting on September 19th and has so far destroyed over 1,000 buildings and engulfed over 480 hectares of land. Fuel shortages have forced the 2 largest power stations of Lebanon to shut down. Vast parts of the country have been plunged into darkness as it no longer has centrally generated electricity. The Lebanese army has agreed to provide 6,000 kiloliters of gas oil, which is likely to sustain the country for 3 days. Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 42 runs on Friday. However, their effort was not enough to take them to the IPL playoffs. Mumbai Indians needed to limit Hyderabad to 65 or less to qualify for the playoffs, and that did not happen. SRH ended with 193 for 8.